Let's hit the road. Unpacking an English idiom. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a very popular English phrase, let's hit the road. You might have heard it in movies, songs, or from English speakers. But what does it really mean? And when can you use it? Let's explore together. Let's hit the road is an idiom in English that means to start a journey or to leave a place and begin traveling. Despite the word hit, there's nothing violent about this phrase. It's simply a fun and informal way to say it's time to go. This phrase is commonly used when someone wants to emphasize the action of departing, especially when going on a trip or when it's time to leave after a visit. The phrase, let's hit the road, has an interesting background. It originates from the days when roads were literally hit by the feet of travelers or the hooves of animals. Over time, it evolved to suit modern contexts, especially with the advent of automobiles. Today, it captures the excitement and sense of adventure associated with starting a new journey. You can use let's hit the road in various situations. Here are a few examples. When you're ready to leave for a vacation. Pack your bags, everyone. Let's hit the road. After visiting friends or family and it's time to return home. We had a great time, but we've got to hit the road now. When you're about to start a long drive. It's going to be a long trip, so let's hit the road early in the morning. This phrase is perfect for informal settings. It conveys a sense of urgency and excitement about the journey ahead. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, let's hit the road. We hope you found it interesting and that you're now ready to use it confidently in your conversations. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to sound more like a native speaker and to enrich your English vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you on our next adventure. Until then, let's hit the road to learning.